Hi, I'm Emily, and get on my head, his name's Oliver. Hello, Oliver. Now, back to Jet View. A friend with the cat, and cat head balancing. As you can see, this isn't working very well. Because he's a very, 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 very heavy cat. But he's not the cat I'm going to be showing you today. The cat I'm going to be showing you. Calm down. Calm down. Get off Mommy's head. Let's put this back up, Will. You little stupid idiot. Okay, this is the cat I was going to show you. His name is Whittle. Come here. Ugh. Well, that didn't work out very well. Come back here, you little rascal. Well, he's gone. Now I'll show you him again. As you can see, he hates my guts. Especially when I put him on my head. Yes, I know you're pissed off. You were very pissed off. I know, I'm sorry. Hey, hey, hey. Not my fault. Wait, yes it is. Calm down. Calm down. It's okay. Well, I gotta go. Later.